Hi, Adrian. I want you to give me an update on our Smart Digital Asset Platform, or SDX.
Okay, sure. So, as you might remember, Gauta, SDX is a standards-based information management platform. So it's based on the new C4 standard. That's the first thing. In addition, what we've got is we have a web client, which is zero footprint, which enables people to be easily able to access information without installing any software.
Yeah.
So that's the first thing to remember. That still is all in place. So we've got now two solutions on SDX. We have SDX Projects and we have SDX Operations.
Okay.
SDX Projects is a world-class collaboration platform which allows multiple parties to be able to submit and exchange information on both greenfield and brownfield projects. SDX Operations, last year was largely focused on brownfield data gathering and making access to information. The 2019 release, which we're expecting to be in Q2 of this year, is going to be allow us to do much more. It provides us with management of change with concurrent engineering. It provides the electronic data book capabilities and many other capabilities. Things like graphical reporting with 3D is one of the features we have there. So it's much more extensive than it was before. In addition to which, we have the connectors available.
Yes.
So last year we came with our SAP connector. So that enables us to have bidirectional interoperability with SAP's plant maintenance module. We still have that. But this year we're supplementing this with a similar connector for OSI Soft. So OSI Pi is the world's most used data historian system. So we'll have a connection against that so that people can access information in our SDX platform from the data historian and vice versa. So we can, for example, get hold of trend information and real-time information from the data historian. So this is an important aspect of what we're doing.
Okay, excellent. Thanks very much.
Okay.